A doctor posted a picture of a decapitated baby on social media. The parents were just awarded $2 million for that. A Georgia couple whose baby was decapitated during childbirth was just awarded over $2 million in damages by a jury. This was following a ruling that a pathologist violated the couple's privacy by posting graphic autopsy footage of the newborn on social media. You guys probably remember hearing about Jessica Ross and Travion Taylor Sr. Well, they were awarded $2 million in compensatory damages and another $250,000 in punitive damages. This was against the pathologist who posted the video. That was Dr. Jackson Gates and his business called Medical Diagnostic Choices, which is in Atlanta, Georgia. Reportedly, Jessica and Travion filed the lawsuit back in September of 2023. They claimed that Dr. Gates intentionally posted pictures of their newborn, who was deceased, to Instagram without their permission. The baby reportedly died while Jessica was in delivery, and Dr. Gates was then hired to perform an autopsy on the child after the death. Dr. Gates and his business were found liable for intentional infliction of emotional distress, invasion of privacy, and fraud. And that was in the civil lawsuit. This was in March of last year, 2024. Jessica and Travion reportedly said in the lawsuit that their infant son, whose name was Travion Isaiah Taylor Jr., was deceased at the time he was delivered on July 10th of 2023. Jessica then contacted Dr. Gates to perform the autopsy on their son 2 days later, and this was for $2,500. Attorneys for the couple said that the doctor posted videos and pictures in July of 2023, so that same month the baby was born, showing graphic and grisly details of a post-mortem exam of the decapitated, severed head of baby Isaiah along with his body. Unbelievable. Jessica and Travion said in the lawsuit that they did not agree to him sharing images or videos or whatnot of the autopsy. According to reports, the doctor's social media accounts contained other footage of autopsies, different autopsies. And he tried to say in March of 2024 that he did not violate HIPAA laws because the law allows physicians to inform the public about safety concerns in healthcare. He said it was not required by a doctor to get consent to report a crime or some sort of health issue to the public. He said he had been doing this for 15 years, publishing his autopsy cases in order to explain to the public the victimization of those who have died. Jessica also reportedly filed a separate lawsuit against Southern Regional Medical Center. That was in Clayton County, Georgia, where she gave birth, and that was in 2023. In that lawsuit, she states that the staff's negligence during her child's delivery led to Travion Jr.'s decapitation and ultimate death. The lawsuit said that the baby's shoulders didn't descend due to shoulder dystocia, which is when a baby's shoulder or shoulders get stuck during vaginal delivery. Attorneys also said that the attending physician, Dr. Tracy St. Julian, negligently applied excessive traction on the baby's head. They further said that the hospital failed to do a C-section in a timely and proper manner. According to reports, the baby's body and legs had to be removed during a subsequent C-section, but the baby's head was indeed delivered vaginally. The baby was reportedly their first child and had been delivered full term with no real issues during pregnancy. Jessica and Travion also claimed that the hospital staff tried to talk to them about an autopsy, but it wasn't until they had already been discharged until they found out about the decapitation. That is unbelievable. And y'all, listen to this. When the parents asked if they could see the baby and hold the baby, they could only see him through a glass window. The baby was tightly wrapped in a blanket, and his head was propped on top of his body, and that was to conceal or hide the fact that he was decapitated. Unreal. It was said that the two of them were so excited about the birth of their first child that their dreams and hopes turned into a complete nightmare that was covered up by the Southern Regional Medical Center. Also in 2024, the Clayton County Medical Examiner's Office ruled the baby's death a homicide. Now, I'm not sure if any charges any doctors might have faced or if they even have any charges, or I've only heard about the lawsuit and wanted to do an update into that. I'm so thankful they are getting at least some type of relief for this horrible situation, even though I know they would much rather have that precious baby in their arms. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For more content, be sure to follow and subscribe over on YouTube.